Hello po, I'm Ace covering Rumi. Hi, I'm Ned covering Zui. Alright, nice to meet you girls. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I betcha. Hey boy, once I get ya, you'll be all so glad that I met ya. Like gravity, one look at me, I betcha, boy, be down on your knees, telling me, making me know it, my strategy, yeah, getcha, boy. Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I betcha. Hey boy, once I get ya, you'll be all so glad that I met you. Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I betcha. Hey boy, once I get ya, you'll be all so glad that I met you. Hey boy, I'ma get you real good and I betcha.
Once again, let's give it up for Queen of Hearts! Aww. We only had the chance to practice today lang po. So my love, even though you only had ample of time to practice, everyone is amazed by you guys. Hindi po ba? You guys did so well! You're going to go home thinking you guys rocked it on stage, okay? Now may I please ask for who are the members of Queen of Hearts?
Hi everyone, I'm Evereza Kylie.
I'm Precious Mika, si Esmeralda. I am Portia Nicole, si Esmeralda.
Aww, a round of applause for them, everyone. You three were amazing, okay? Thank you so much for sharing the stage here with me. Once again, let's give it up for Rafi Bells! Dear, you know what? You're the epitome of confidence. Hindi po ba? Okay, grabe. Abi, nag-iingay ka na naman dyan, ha? Nanalo ka na nga, eh. Okay, anyways. So, my love, may I please ask, what was your inspiration behind the stage name of Rafi Bells?
Yung stage name ko na Rafi Bells, actually, binigay lang po sa akin siya ng friend ko nung high school pa po ako. Tapos, parang at that time po, inulit-ulit ko na lang siya kasi parang maganda siya pakinggan.
Okay, at dahil dyan, maganda rin siya pakinggan at napakaganda rin ang performance mo. Kaya naman, palakpakan natin si Rafi Bells! You're amazing, my love.
Open my eyes, it's time to kick your straight back into the bag. 'Cause I see you
grabe rin ang inyong confidence level, ha? I'm very speechless. So, before anything else, introduce your names and can you please let us know bakit Starlight ang pangalan ninyo?
Hi, my name is Stefan.
My name is Jeremy po. And I think last minute po actually yung name namin na Starlight. And I think it embodies us together as a duo na Star and Light po.
Oh. So guys, palakpakan naman natin our Star and our Light. The reason why they are the duo of Starlight. Thank you so much for the amazing performance, you both. We will now be